What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to your first Bitcoin update this week after Christmas. I hope you all had a great Christmas and great holidays. Now, of course, it's kind of that in between period between now and the new year. Bitcoin has been pretty stable. Yesterday had a nice move all the way up to almost 17,000, but drop back down, and now we're back to our consolidating ways, which we've been in for quite a long time. I mean, I thought it was funny to check out the 1 hour time frame, because as you can see, we've been really consolidating. Yesterday a quick bullish breakout, but now we're straight back into that. That's just the situation now. I mean, the volume has dropped down significantly. As we all know, it's the holidays, or at least in most parts of the world it is. So it's just been quiet on the market. Volume is still relatively low. If we take a look at the dollar strength index, then we can see that opened relatively bearish today, so that's good for crypto. I've always said this, but this is kind of like some sort of a confirmation that we are going to continue this bearish momentum and this downtrend. And with that, what I also expect with Bitcoin, I mean, as you can see, just purely technically looking at the price, you could argue that we have also found some more bullish momentum. We have been making higher highs I mean, you can almost not say that, but the thing is that the one thing that we can say is that you have these EMAs, right? So this blue line, red line, silver line, gold line. We're breaking through all of those after another with big bullish moves. I mean, like with this move, we broke above the 50 EMA. With this one, we touched the 100 EMA, almost broke through. So slowly but surely, it seems like we're at least getting rid of all the bearish momentum, which is obviously bullish. And the thing is, I mean, as I said, I think that even though the volume of Bitcoin right now is very low and the volatility is very low, I think that if the dollar strength index will actually fall to 103, which would probably be our next low, then I still think that Bitcoin will react to that. Even though the volume is low, even though there's not a lot going on, I still think we will react to that. And the reaction I see coming is a break above 17,000 and 17,100, which, by the way, is still a very strong resistance level. I mean, as you can see, you got that 200 EMA there and a 382 FIB. So preferably we would touch that once before before the dollar strength index gets a new lower low. But either way, I still think we can break above that. I mean, in the end, it's technicals versus fundamentals. Then in that case, in which fundamentals almost always win, if they are the only fundamentals. If we also have bearish fundamentals in the market, then it might be a different story, but this is what I expect. The thing is, though, is that it is to be assumed that the dollar strength index is also not going to move a lot in the upcoming days. The thing that, and I mean, if that doesn't move a lot, then Bitcoin is also not going to move a lot. So I still expect some bearish momentum or not bearish momentum, but just consolidating momentum, I guess, for Bitcoin. But yeah, there's a lot of things at play. So we'll just see, I guess. I think we'll consolidate and then do something like this. We could also consolidate up a little bit, because the last 3 days of the year and the first 2 years of the next year usually are bullish for stock markets. And crypto has become more and more correlated with the stock market, so we might actually see some bullish momentum, but I don't think we're going to get a bullish breakout without the dollar strength index confirming that too. But yeah, so that's my take on Bitcoin for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.